Hi farmers, this is a sample of how I make my own TMR. So here we have silage. This is corn silage. We have I'm mixing corn silage with the mixture of these are maize, maize stock with maize. They are green. We have the super napier here. We have super napier here. We have the dry maize stock. We still with maize, yeah? And I have dried the super napier here also. So I mix all of it, and I add dairy meal. You have the mineral salt, a little bit of molasses, and that is it. That is it. And you can add a little bit of forage or maize bran because the energy level is very high. So you need to provide protein content.